Hey everybody, this is Adam with Honest Home Inspection. Today we're going to be going over how to reupholster and fix a broken base on our dining room chair. So the first thing about this dining room chair is that it is completely destroyed. So we've gone and we've picked up a new base that we can make for our chair. And since we're already taking all of this upholstery off, we've decided that we're going to put on a different color upholstery. So we're going to get into recovering all of the chairs of this dining room set. So the first thing was a few screws that were connecting through the bottom of this chair, holding this base on. Once you already have your base off, then what you're going to notice are some staples holding the upholstery onto the wood. Those are going to be most easily removed using some sort of plier material that can get you a good grip. We're going to remove all of that, use this existing upholstery piece in order to know which size we're going to want to cut our new upholstery. So we're going to use that as a template. We're also going to use this wood-based template to be able to trace onto the new wood base and cut out an exact replica of what we had on the chair already. After that, we'll be able to take our new upholstery, the existing styrofoam, and a stapler to put it all together. To cut out our shape, we can use a jigsaw. Let's get to work. There you go, brand new look. So for this job, all we needed was a tool to pull your staples out with, a screw gun with the appropriate attachment to draw it out, a jigsaw in order to cut out your new base, and a pair of scissors for cutting your fabric, stapler for stapling your fabric to the base, and a marker to make everything a little bit easier with the tracing. All that, a couple minutes, you start to put a whole new look on your dining room chairs and in your kitchen. Whoa!